Hey, welcome back to Stories with Dave. This is another poem. On a more serious note, this one goes out to my best friend, my better half, my favorite person, the only person I really like hanging out with, my wife. And it's comes loosely just from it's like a composite of a few memories of here on the riverbanks of the James. It's called Moon of Nesting Birds. Once upon a now and then, drunk on summer far too soon, we walked along the river bluffs, down paths lit by the pink flower moon, and traipsing thus through the loamy wood, lost track of her celestial course, and all at once in darkness stood, transfixed there by some unseen force, to linger in the sudden dark, mutually bereft of words, as fireflies lit our pathway home beneath a forest of nested birds. Thanks for joining me. Have a great night, everybody. Love you, Mindy.